Hi guys, this is Maria Lillepruun with you today, and I want to show you my DT pack from Scraps and Pieces. Scraps and Pieces is a Greek online shop and arts and crafts studio, and I've been in their design team for over a year now. And this is my DT pack, which is just rescued from a post office. Let's see what they sent me. First of all, of course, we can see the Deco Art acrylic paints. I've already tried these paints before and they are gorgeous, basic clear colors, but the quality of the paint is really good. I can totally recommend it. Here is also some golden color and other matte and some more mediums. Matte medium, I have not tried this before. This is curious. And then we have a texture medium, which I haven't tried also. Great, I just love new stuff. And heavy gel medium gloss. Wow, I have not seen these before at all. I didn't know they have one, but this is also super interesting. Let's see what else. Again, by Deco Art we have vintage effect wash materials. I have not tried these before. This is also very interesting. And what are these? Color wash paint. I have to Google it actually, but I already see the words patina on it and gray, and I adore gray and green patina, so I'm sure I can find out what I can do with this, and this will be something very intriguing. I will try it right on my next project. Also, here is a brush and stencil cleaner. I already have this one. Here is mine. It's almost finished. It's a nice liquid to wash your brushes and stencils, which you get dirty, you know, every time you use them. Very useful thing. Also, I have a jar of something, which is in Greek. I don't know what it is, I don't know Greek, but I know other languages, and I can assume that it may be glue, actually. So let's see what is this actually. Oh, it's well closed. Hoppa. Okay, let's smell it. Smells like PVA. I think it's really thick PVA glue. Great, something you cannot just live without. I basically use it every day. And what else? Some ribbons, textile ribbons. These are great for boho projects, I assume. I've already used before, and I just love ribbons. I can show you. Here I just happen to have my notebook, and I just love hanging different kind of ribbons everywhere, and I think this is the same quality ribbon, yes, and I'm sure I will use these ones somewhere in my projects. Also, we have metallic embellishments, really beautiful ones, really diverse types. This is also something I use very often, and this is truly a great gift for me, very useful things. Some stencils which I also got from Scraps and Pieces. These are by Team Holtz, nice mixed media stencils, and also chipboard by 49 and Market. And of course mulberry paper flowers and leaves and all colorful and smells like spring already. Very nice. And I also got a journal. This is a journal shop from the journal shop from Etsy. Looks like handmade journal, and it's inside. It's really thick paper, like watercolor paper. Really nice. I'm sure it's a perfect fit for our journaling, for painting inside. I will definitely try it out. Nice handmade journal. Lovely. This is all. Thank you for your attention. I'm sure I will be back with more creative projects inspired by these materials. Thank you, Scraps and Pieces. Visit their online store, definitely. It's full of different scrapbooking and mixed media goodies. And see you later. Bye bye.